Let's bowl off with cricket. Former West Indies fast bowler Kenny Benjamin and Rayon Griffith will be the bowling and assistant coaches respectively for the West Indies Southern Africa tour starting next week. But as we hear in this report from Jerome Foster, interim head coach Andre Coley has no definitive plan to become the permanent boss just yet.
A common denominator for West Indies for the last 2 decades has been uncertainty. And as the test team gets ready to jet off to Zimbabwe, there are more questions than answers. The 15-man squad sees a return for Shannon Gabriel, who has not played a test since September 2021. But the main talking point from the press conference on Wednesday was whether or not Andre Coley is eyeing a promotion to the top job on a long-term basis.
As a coach or a player, you want to be able to operate at the highest possible level for as long as is humanly possible or professionally possible. So obviously I'm honored to have been asked to perform in this role. As it relates to applying on a longer term basis, I'm unaware as to where that process is at the moment. And because my focus is really around focusing on the period that I've been engaged, I haven't given thought to beyond that, just because of the key juncture or important period that we are right now in our cricket.
Coley, who is the high-performance head coach, has an immediate goal for the team, which has never lost a test series to Zimbabwe.
Build rapport with the players, captain making sure that we're heading in the right direction. I mean, we've already started those conversations, Craig and myself, in terms of how we will operate on the tours. And just be clear about how we want to approach things.
The Caribbean team had a sour ending to 2022 in a 2-0 series defeat to Australia, but they are hunting for a much more favourable taste next month.
I really look forward to the batters, spending time, getting their runs on the board. I think that's quite crucial, for us setting up the game, to win it. And bowling wise, we've always been good. Obviously, last series, we didn't bowl at Australia. So I think it's very important that we get back to hitting our straps and looking to get 20 wickets.
The Caribbean side will play a 4-day tour match starting on January 28 before the first of 2 tests, which starts on February 4. Jerome Foster, TVJ Sports.